everybody. Welcome back to Fish Hunt Northwest. We're in the kitchen with Chef Kelly for our recipe of the week, and I'm excited for these duck tacos.
Yes, duck tacos.
Yes.
I'm actually a duck hunting guide for Pacific Wings, and I have a lot of duck. You know, I just end up with a whole bunch throughout the season, and so I have to end up, using them throughout the season. So duck tacos is one of my go-to things, actually, because I live in a camper and I kind of have a minimalist kitchen.
He shows up weekly with a truckload of ducks. Yes.
So, guys are going to have a whole bunch of duck breasts, and probably the toughest part about it is that you need to kind of trim off this silver skin here.
Because that's what makes it tough, correct?
Yeah, and we're also trying to keep these medium rare, so we're not getting a super hard crust on there. So, is
it pretty easy to overcook duck?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
And that's why everybody doesn't really like it. They think it's livery.
Well, they treat it like a chicken, and it's not chicken. You don't have to overcook it. We're shooting for medium rare. We should see some red in here. Okay, so we have little tiny little chunks like that size. That's perfect.
Okay.
Be a nice hot quick sear.
A little dice.
Okay. So we're going to season this with a little bit of sambal. It's a chili garlic sauce. It's usually associated with Asian food, but it's a good all around if you like
to add a little spice.
Yeah. I'm gonna add a little extra garlic to it because I like garlic. I think garlic's really healthy for you too. Add a little bit of cilantro in there. Maybe a squeeze of lime juice. Okay.
Okay.
And then we're definitely going to season this
with kosher salt.
Yes, kosher salt.
Thank you. Which I have a massive supply of now.
Only a pound. I mean.
Oh, okay.
A little bit of fresh ground black pepper. Way better than your, already ground up pepper. It's 10 times better. Yeah, I know. All right. Did we get that all seasoned up?
For a chef wannabes everybody has ground pepper laying around.
All right, we're good to go.
All right.
We're going to add actually a little bit of oil already in here. Okay.
All right.
Okay, so that's good to go.
All right.
We'll let that marinate right there. Don't need this anymore. All right, so now we're going to work on our sauce. So I have a little bit of water in this pan here. And we're going to make a salsa verde for our duck tacos. So these are tomatillos. If you've never seen a tomatillo before, people will say it's like a green tomato. It's not actually a green tomato.
It's not a tomato, people.
Yes, it's actually in the gooseberry family. So.
Always a bird.
Ha.
So what do you have this doing here?
Oh, well, so over there we have, my duck was sitting in a brine. And, the purpose of the brine is to leach out that blood. And if
is it just water and salt, or
just water and salt? That's all you need. And this guy's giving me a little hard time. So
live TV.
Yeah, right.
Yep.
Okay, so we have that. We're gonna throw in a couple chunks of onion. I like it hot, so I'm gonna add a serrano and a jalapeno in there. So
I got a little pre-taste. It was incredible.
Yeah.
Yep.
And if you want to, make it nuclear, let's see some habaneros, But
I'll save that for when I'm mad at Dwayne. Throw that in there.
Okay.
Oh no, it's good, honey.
So tomatillos, onion, garlic, chilies. Okay.
All right.
All right. So now we got that sauce going. We're gonna get that cranked up. Put that on high. All right. Now we're just gonna start cooking our duck.
All right, Chef. While you get that going, we're gonna go ahead and throw it back to the guys in the studio for this week's regional weather report. Hey, Hey, welcome back to the FHN Kitchen. We're here with Chef Kelly finishing up these duck tacos. They smell amazing so far. What steps next?
Well, we finished up searing off our duck. Make sure that we pulled it off kind of on the rare side because it's going to carry over into the medium rare, and that's what we're shooting for, remember? We don't want it to have overcooked. Okay, so we have our salsa verde already cooked, and this is what we're looking for. We're looking for kind of, I don't know if you can catch it, it's kind of like a translucent color on our tomatillos. We don't want to cook the heck out of this. This is not just, you know, torch this thing for half an hour. Okay, so we're going to put this into our food processor.
Wow. Yeah, they're just kind of translucent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay. So
all right.
Now we're just going to close this up. Let it rip.
Good thick consistency.
Yeah, you know, I used to actually have it kind of like chunky a little bit, but I don't really like it that way. So, see where we're at. Yeah, we're good to go there. Okay, so what are we missing? We need some acid. So we've got some lime juice. Putting at least a half a lime in there. We're going to have it like kind of pretty bright and acidic.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Then we're going to need some salt. There's 1 teaspoon. We're probably going to go, that's probably like 2 teaspoons. We're going to start with that. Okay? And then we're going to add some cilantro in there.
Oh, always so good.
Yeah. And another thing is, like, guys, is that you see I'm adding some stems in there. I'm doing it purposely because, you know, cilantro stems have a lot of their own flavor too. So they're not trash.
Are they nutrient?
No, I mean, it's not that. It's just, you know, people think they don't have any flavor. You know, they only look at the leaves.
Yeah.
But actually, you know, in Asian countries, they use the root too, as much as they do the leaves and the stems too. So we're looking excellent right there.
All right.
We're going to taste for seasoning. Boom. We're there.
I tasted it earlier. Oh, so good.
Okay.
All right.
So if you could take that.
Sure.
From me, we're going to start working on some tortillas. Okay. And usually I cook my tortillas 2 at a time. And what I'm trying to get for is I'm trying to get a crispy exterior and then a kind of a soft interior. Sometimes when you do them on both sides, they kind of are too chewy and a little too crispy and too much. Okay, so we're almost there.
Here, let me grab this pan for you, Chef. Get out of the way.
Thank you. Okay, so we're almost there. And we just need our duck for our final plating. We're done here. Yeah.
All right.
All right. So you see,
So just a little bit
so I got some color
brown.
there.
Oh.
Yeah, but the inside is steamed and still tender on the inside. So you're not having to chew through that. So we're going to do a little bit of duck. Like that. Clean spoon.
Clean spoon. Ha.
A little bit of Verde sauce on there.
Or you can put a little extra.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
A little bit of extra cilantro on there. And a little bit of red onion. There you go.
Wow.
Classic street taco style, cilantro, onion, sauce, and meat. There you go, guys.
Wow, that looks and smells incredible. So why we dig in, because I'm going to cheat again this week, it looks like. Dang it, Chef Kelly, this is getting ridiculous here. We're going to throw it back to the guys in the studio to close out the show.